So in today's video, I'm unboxing a pair of CELINE sunglasses. With your eyewear, you get literature from the manufacturer as well as a microfiber cloth. So this is one of the new CELINE cases that you can get with your sunglasses. It's really minimalistic, which in theory is great. However, to me this case feels very cheap. And even the opening is very hard to maneuver. As you can see, it's pretty tricky to open. Let's just do a quick comparison. So this is a similar case from Key Australia. Keep in mind that Key Australia is priced significantly lower than CELINE is, which is why I feel a type of way about this. Look at the Key case. It just opens and closes so easily, whereas the CELINE case is just a struggle. And even the opening creases in a weird, really weird way. So here are the sunglasses. They're a very bold, square-shaped frame. On the left temple, you have the three iconic rivets followed by CELINE. Then on the right temple, it's just the three rivets. The lenses are polarized and they are dark gray. Alright, so let's go over the measurements real quick. The lens width is 55 millimeters, the nose bridge is 18 millimeters, and then the temples measure out to 145 millimeters long. And this is what the sunglasses look like on.